In this video, we will install and learn how to use the 10x Genomics Cloud CLI on Windows. First, in a new project in Cloud Analysis, ensure that you are on the correct tab for your operating system, then download the txg.zip file. When the download is complete, open up your File Explorer and head into the Downloads folder. From here, open the txg.zip file and click Extract All at the top of your window. Now we need to choose the location to extract the contents. I like to use my Documents folder, but you can use any folder that is convenient for you. Once you click Extract, you'll automatically have a new window that contains the TXG folder. I like to navigate into this window, then in the nav bar, right-click and copy the address. Next, we will open our command prompt by opening the Windows Start menu and typing CMD. Now we will change directories into the TXG folder where we can execute our commands. To perform this action, type CD for change directories, followed by a space, and then paste the contents of your clipboard. Press Enter, and you are now in the directory containing TXG. To verify that you are set up and ready to go, type txg.exe --version and press Enter. If you see a TXG version response, you are ready to proceed and begin uploading your FASTQ files.